Hello, this is a tutorial for Snack Hunter, part of the Meddling Mystery Kids crochet patterns. This is round 31. I am going to do 2 single crochets and decrease. Then I'm going to single crochet decrease 5 times. Okay, that was 5. And then I'm going to do 2 double crochet increases in the front loops only. Then I'm going to do a double crochet increase in the back loops. Then a double crochet increase in the front loops. Then I'm going to do a double crochet in the back loop. Then I'm going to chain 3, and when I do, I'm going to put a stitch marker in this stitch so I can keep track of my stitches. So here is 1, 2, and 3, and I'm going to grab a stitch marker and put that in. And I'm also going to put it in the stitch next to it. Then I'm going to slip stitch in the front loop of the same stitch. Then I'm going to chain 1 and slip stitch directly below into the front of a tan stitch from round 30. And I'm going to do this with a 4mm hook so that it comes to a better point. So I'm just going to tighten this around my hook and slip stitch into the front of a stitch from round 30 below, and we'll do the same thing in this stitch right here. Then I'm going to single crochet in the back loop of the second stitch from the hook. Then I'm going to switch hooks again to my 6.5mm hook. And I'm going to double crochet increase in the back loops. Then I'm going to double crochet. And I'm going to chain 3. And I again am going to use some stitch markers here so I can mark my stitch. So this is the stitch I'm on. And then when I chain 3, 1, 2, 3, I am going to add another stitch marker to that first chain that I made. And then I'm going to slip stitch in the front loop. And then I'm going to switch hooks to my 4mm hook, tighten this a little bit, and then chain 1 and slip stitch in the front of this stitch. Then I'm going to slip stitch in the back loop of the second chain from the hook. And then I'm going to put my 6.5mm hook back in. And I'm going to double crochet increase. And then in both loops, I'm going to do a half double crochet. I'm going to add a stitch marker. And that is the end of round 31. You should have 30 stitches and you're ready for round 32. Thanks for watching.